On last episode,
she want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Baby, don't try it, just stop it. You should know that I got options. I be fly like I live in the cockpit. Mess around with the money, get drop kicked. Only one in the city to pop quick. Never cared about being your top 10. Got a house in the hills, can you top this? I came from where them boys leave you
what's up, guys? It's the beautiful black queen and everybody here. What's happening? What's going on? Listen, today is day 3 of vacation day. I told y'all day 1 was kind of a getting here day and getting settled and going to Walmart, getting things that we needed. And then yesterday you guys saw that vlog, and then today is day 3. So yeah, today is day 3. Today is beach day, so we're getting ready to go get breakfast, and then we're headed to the beach to get some work and stuff done, and to focus on my business, and things like that, because I have photo shoots and stuff coming up, so I got to get a lot of stuff set up. For the end of this month, I have a makeup class coming soon, but I'm preparing for that, so it's a lot of stuff that I'm going to be actually doing. I'm so greasy, y'all. I just moisturized my face. I did not do any makeup, and I'm not doing any makeup today, so I just moisturized my face real good, and that's what I got going on. So yeah, y'all gonna catch all of this oil, period. But yes, this has really been so relaxing, guys, here in Myrtle Beach, and yeah, that's what I got going on. So I'll see y'all once we get to breakfast. All right, guys, we are headed to the beach. We've already had something to eat. We've already had breakfast, but we're headed to the beach now. So, yeah. So we are definitely headed there. It's so nice out, and yeah. Okay, guys, we are on the beach. What? So what did you buy? What? No, we got chairs. Okay, guys. We is here. We here. It's a workout. I'm walking on the sand. Workout. Walking in sand. Trying to keep your balance. I'm gonna stay out of water. Hold on. Yes, y'all. The water. Trying not to step on the seashell. What's up, guys? We are out here in the water and it's freezing. No, I'm not putting you on here. What? I didn't put you on here. I know. It's freezing, guys. Okay, there we go. It's starting to warm up just a tad. We're trying to inch our way because it's so cold. My ankles are freezing. My ankles are freezing. Whew. Yes, we're out here in the water. Yes, guys. Such a much needed vacation. All right, I think that's enough for me. Woo. I'm about to go and get into this work. Yes. So, y'all. So, I came on vacation because I really wanted to really get focused, more and more focused. Vacation for me is definitely a good time to, you know, enjoy, chill, but then it's also a focusing point for me. So, of course, I brought my laptop for my business. So, I'm getting ready to dive into some business stuff and start building some more for my brand. And, yeah. So, be on the lookout for lavishlookbeauty.com because your girl got some things that's dropping in the next month, a little bit. I don't know, by the time you see this vlog, my birthday is May 2nd, so I'm gonna be dropping some stuff May 2nd. So y'all be on the lookout for that, period. So I have to have a meeting. I'm having a meeting now with my vendors, things like that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm enjoying this vacay, but I'm also conducting and handling business. So I catch y'all when we go and get something to eat. I think we're supposed to be going to Margaritaville tonight and doing some karaoke tonight. So y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned. All right, guys. We're here getting ready to get something to eat at Paula Deen's restaurant. Don't murder us in the comments. We just wanted to taste that food. But we're at Paula Deen's restaurant getting ready to get something to eat. So hopefully it is good. So we're walking in now. And yeah. It's so windy out here too. I need somebody to get on this ride, and I don't understand why. Why? Oops. Oh. Sasha, you good? You good? Yep, the nursery. Oh my god. Oh my god, look how this thing go up, y'all. And she gotta sit there. She has to sit up there. Oh god. Hey guys, after waiting about 3.5 hours to be seated, this is it. This is my plate. It's like a family style type deal. So yeah, everybody order and it comes out as a family deal. And it's bottomless, so means we can get refills on all of this stuff. So yeah. Good morning, good morning. I look crusty, guys. Just getting up. But we're getting ready to check out and say goodbye to this beautiful, beautiful place. I know I have not been into my vlogs well at all. But I forget sometimes that I'm vlogging. I've been trying to just enjoy just the beautiful scenery and everything. So we're getting ready to head out. To say goodbye. I think a lot of people have checked out because normally the beach is so crowded at this time. But it's real cloudy and stuff like that. And then, yeah, and then it's cloudy and then nobody's on the beach. Then just kind of a handful of people. Nobody's in the pool. People would have normally been in the pool by now. But nobody's in the pool. So, I guess a lot of people are checking out. And we are as well. But stay tuned because we're going on vacation again for my birthday in May. So stay tuned. So until next time, I love y'all. We're gonna go get breakfast. Same old stuff we've been doing every day. Go get breakfast and then go do a little shopping, and then we are out of here. So until next time, I'm out. Peace.
She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Baby, don't try it, just stop it. You should know that I got options. I be fly